Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Of all the Samsung Galaxy S10 series smartphones that were launched recently, the best one is this. It's the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G with the 5G support, and it comes with a bit more than what the S10 Plus comes with. So this is the Galaxy S10 5G that comes with a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus display that's with 1440 x 3040 pixels of screen resolution, dynamic AMOLED display on the front, HDR10 Plus support and the Gorilla Glass 6 support. It comes in a single variant for the color. It's the Prism white color that is seen there, and it's the Samsung's One UI that is based on Android 9 Pie that the phone comes with. And there's no storage expansion in this phone. It's 8GB plus 256GB. That's the option you get here. That's quite a lot already. And the phone has two variants, one with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 and the other one with the Exynos 9820. So it's all based on the markets. In most of the markets you would see this with the Snapdragon 855 since that's the chipset supporting 5G networks right now, and the Exynos 9820 still has the support, but there's no test done and it might be coming in the Indian market later since there's no 5G right now in India. So on the back is this quad camera support where you see a 12 megapixel variable aperture camera with the f1.5 to 2.4, then a 12 megapixel telephoto camera and the 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera, and there's a TOF 3D sensor as well. And the camera can capture 4K videos at 60 fps and slow motion videos of 960 fps at 720p resolution. On the front is that hole punch display, or the company calls it with a different name, but it's a 10 megapixel f1.9 camera with a 26mm wide lens, and there's also a TF camera on the front for the portraits help. So it can also capture 2160 pixel videos, that's 4K videos. And the main part about this smartphone is the connectivity. It has a 5G support with certain bands that are already being tested in the US and Europe markets and even in the Korean market. For the battery, this phone comes with a 4500 mAh battery. That's quite good for a Samsung flagship. Usually they don't come up with a large battery capacity, but this time it is. And there's USB 3.1 with the Type-C, and it comes with a 25 watt fast charge support, and there's also support for the 15 watt wireless charging, and the phone can actually work as a power bank to charge other phones with a 9 watt output, and that is with both the Type-C output as well as a wireless charging output. So this is the camera application of the smartphone. There's quite a lot of features that are offered here. Obviously there's live focus, there's also the other options such as AR emojis and Bixby vision, and there's a direct toggle for the telephoto camera and the wide angle camera to switch between each other if you easily want to capture everything. And with the initial looks, it already seemed that the camera is quite good with what it offers because the colors were very vibrant, and this was all inside the show booth and where there are no natural light conditions. Still the camera did seem to be quite good. There's super slow-mo that can offer 960 frames per second video recording with the 720p resolution, and yeah, there's the regular slow motion video recording and time lapse as well. And the top has again quite a big list of features. Under the settings you see the scene optimizer, the flaw detection and the motion photos. The video size is here, that's UHD 60 fps at 3840 x 2160 pixels, and that's the best possible resolution right now with any smartphone camera. Now with the front video as well is UHD 3840 x 2160, but it is at 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second is not possible with the front facing camera. On the live focus you have the options of blur effects, and these are circle effects, and those are different kind of effects, and these actually look good when you're trying to capture the portrait shots with these effects. So this is under the camera application, and there's certainly quite a lot that you can do here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G's camera application, and it comes with that 8GB of RAM and 256GB storage. So again, you won't have any issues with the multitasking or even with the content storage. So this was all about the Galaxy S10 5G. A very good smartphone when it comes to what it offers, but the price won't be any less. This would be the most costliest phone from Samsung right now if it launches in the US market anytime soon with the 5G support. So this was all about the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.